Along with our traditional skills, we could also develop our Photoshop and digital skills. So here are some tools that we need in order to draw digitally. Photoshop, a drawing tablet, and a computer. And of course you could use Procreate or whatever program you use, but this instructional video is mainly for Photoshop. So right now we are in our background. We have our background and our layers, and this is something we don't want to touch. And I'm going to open up a new layer here, clicking that button, and it's right on top of the background. Here I'm drawing circles, and my goal is that I want to have nice clean circles, and of course we could see all these ovals and oblong circles are just not doing it. So I'm going to show you how we could use a tool, and this is a marquee tool, a round marquee tool, and we can make nice clean shapes with this, right? And I'm showing how they could bend and make ovals. And with these ovals, they're clean shapes, but I'm looking for a circle. So I'm going to click that marquee tool, but I'm going to hold Shift. And Shift allows us to really make a perfect circle. And with that selection, you can fill it in with your brush, and you can use a transform tool to move it around. But that's how we get a nice clean circle. Now, with lasso tool, we could create some more organic shapes. And organic meaning these weird shapes that are not truly circles, they're not really objects we could describe with one word. They're just weird, strange. And we could add them to the perfect circle we have. Now we have this really interesting shape. And with any of our projects, if we're doing digitally, we want clean shapes and nice hard edges, we could use these tools to help us get those edges. Like the even angular edges, like these rectangles and squares. We could even add these rounded edges on top of hard edges to make things even more interesting and have some variation of shapes. So when we're doing a lot of our digital work, we could be mindful that we have a lot of these tools to help us achieve the visual effects that we want. And that concludes the instructional demo, and I hope you have a good time creating your digital works.